by a family who wanted a quieter, more meaningful life, this 11-acre homestead has been a place of peace and purpose for more than 40 years. This property in the rolling hills of Mercer County is now ready for its next chapter. The 4-bedroom home is solid and comfortable, with a wood-burning fireplace, a newer LP furnace, and even a backup generator to keep things running strong. A brand new septic was just installed in 2024. Step outside and you'll find everything you need to live simply and live well. A workshop with concrete floors, a 3-car garage, multiple barns for hay, livestock, and equipment, newer hydrants, and over 7 acres of fenced pasture. The setting is pure Midwest charm: timbered draws, fields of native prairie, green pastures, a few ag fields, and wildlife all around. And you're just minutes from Aledo, one of Illinois' most welcoming small towns. If you've been looking for a place to build your homestead dreams, this might just be it. I'm Chase Burns. Give me a call and let's go take a look.